Welcome students, Science 2, Chapter number 7, Introduction to Microbiology. Topic is probiotics. These are also milk products but contain active bacteria, for example, lactobacillus, acidobacillus, lactobacillus casei, etc. These microbes maintain the balance of intestinal microorganisms, that is, increase the population of microbes helping the digestion and decrease the population of harmful microbes. For example, Clostridium. Probiotic products are available in various forms like yogurt, kefir, pickle of cabbage, dark chocolate, miso soup, pickles, oils, corn syrup, artificial sweetener, etc. Why the probiotics have developed much importance in recent days? Because these products form the colonies of useful microbes in alimentary canal and control other microbes and their metabolic activities, improve resistance and lower the ill effects of harmful substances formed during metabolic activities. Useful microbes become inactive due to antibiotics. Probiotics make them active again. Nowadays, probiotics are used for treatment of diarrhea and treatment of poultry also. Our next topic is bread. Different types of breads are produced from flour of cereals. Dough is formed by mixing of baker's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, water, salt, and other necessary material with flour. Due to fermentation of carbohydrates by yeast, sugar is converted to carbon dioxide and ethanol. Dough rises up due to CO2 and bread becomes spongy. Compressed yeast is used in commercial bakery industry. It is available in dry granular form for domestic use. Yeast produced for commercial use contains various useful contents like carbohydrate, fat, protein, various vitamin and minerals. ब्रेड म्हणजे पाव. धान्याच्या पिठांपासून पावाचे विविध प्रकार बनवतात. बेकर्स यीस्ट पिठामध्ये मिसळून तसेच पाणी व मीठ आवश्यक पदार्थ मिसळून गोळा केला जातो. कर्बोदकाचे किण्वन होते. CO2 व इथेनॉलमध्ये शर्करेचे रूपांतर होते आणि CO2 मुळे पीठ फुगते व भाजल्यानंतर पाव जाळीदार होतो. व्यावसायिक बेकरी स्वरूपात संकुचित यीस्टचा वापर होतो. Vinegar production. Vinegar is used in each country of the world to impart sour taste to food materials and for preservation of pickles, sauce, ketchup, chutneys, etc. Chemically, vinegar is 4% acetic acid CH3COOH. Ethanol and alcohol is obtained by fermentation of carbon compounds like fruit juices, maple syrup, sugar, molasses, starch of the roots with the help of yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. म्हणजे जगातील अनेक विविध प्रदेशांमध्ये खाद्यपदार्थांना आंबटपणा आणण्यासाठी लोणची, सॉस, केचप हे पदार्थ टिकवण्यासाठी व्हिनेगारचा उपयोग होतो. रासायनिकदृष्ट्या व्हिनेगार म्हणजे 4% ॲसिटिक आम्ल होय. Aspergillus oryzae, mixture of bacterial strains like Azotobacter and Gluconobacter is mixed with ethanol for its microbial degradation. Acetic acid and other byproducts are obtained through it. Acetic acid is separated from mixture by rarefaction, is bleached with the help of potassium ferrocyanide. Then it pasteurized. Finally, very small quantity of sulfur dioxide gas is mixed to produce vinegar. Soya sauce is produced by fermentation of the mixture of flour of wheat or rice and soybean with the help of fungus Aspergillus. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बायोव्हेरेजेस म्हणजे पेय निर्मिती. फ्रूट मायक्रोब यूज रोल ऑफ मायक्रोब्स अँड नेम ऑफ बायोव्हेरेजेस. फर्स्ट फ्रूट कॅफिया अरेबिका. मायक्रोब यूज लॅक्टोबॅसिलस ब्रुएस. रोल ऑफ मायक्रोब separating seeds from fruit. Name of bioverages coffee. Second, Theobroma caco, Candida, Hansenula, Pichia, Saccharomyces. Role of microbe separating seeds from fruit. Cocoa. Third is grapes. Microbe use Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Role of microbe fermentation of juice. Name of beverage wine. 4. Apple. Microbe Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Role of microbe fermentation of juice and beverage cider. Microbial enzymes. सूक्ष्मजैविक विकरे. Nowadays, instead of chemical catalysis, microbial enzymes are used in chemical industry. These are active at low temperature, pH and pressure, due to which energy is saved, and erosion-proof instruments are also not necessary. Enzymes carry out specific processes, hence unnecessary byproducts are not formed, due to which expense of purification are minimized. In case of microbial enzymatic reaction, elimination and decomposition of waste material is avoided and enzymes can be reused. Hence, such enzymes are eco-friendly. Some examples of microbial enzymes are oxireductases, transferases, hydrolases, lysases, isomerase, ligases, etc. Process of dirt removal occurs at low temperature to do mixing of enzymes with detergents. Glucose and fructose syrup can be obtained from corn flour by action of enzymes obtained from bacilli and streptomyces. Microbial enzymes are used in various industries like cheese, plant extract, textile, leather, paper, etc. रसायन उद्योगात आता रासायनिक उत्प्रेरकांऐवजी सूक्ष्मजीवांच्या साहाय्याने मिळवलेली विकरे वापरली जातात. तापमान, pH व दाब यांची पातळी कमी असताना ही विकरे कार्य करतात. त्यामुळे ऊर्जा बचत होते व महागड्या क्षरणरोधक उपकरणांची गरज भासत नाही. टाकाऊ पदार्थांचे उत्सर्जन, विघटन टाळले जाते. विकरांचा पुनर्वापरही करता येतो. म्हणून अशी विकरे पर्यावरण स्नेही ठरतात. उदाहरणार्थ ट्रान्सफरेजेस, हायड्रोलेजेस, लायगेजेस इत्यादी. डिटर्जंट्समध्ये विकरे मिसळल्याने मळ काढण्याची प्रक्रिया कमी तापमानालाही घडून येते. मक्यातील स्टार्चवर बॅसिलस व स्ट्रेप्टोमायसिसपासून मिळवलेल्या विकरांची क्रिया घडवून ग्लुकोज व फ्रुक्टोज सिरप बनवतात. चीज, वनस्पतीचे अर्क, वस्त्रोद्योग, चामडे, कागद अनेक उद्योगात सूक्ष्मजैविक विकरे वापरली जातात.